this tutorial, I will show you that how you can create Gmail account without phone number in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. From home page, you can open up any browser. I'm open this Google. After opening Google, in right top side, it will show you your Gmail profile picture. If you click here, it will open up your account. Click on this little icon, it will open up your all accounts here. If you scroll down, you'll find here this add another account. You have to click on that and it will take you to this page to add account in Google. Select Google and it will show you this sign in window. Now to create account, click on this button of create account and select here for my personal use. Now you have to type your first name and last name. After typing it, you can click on next, and here you have to type your date of birth, and after selecting your gender, you can click next. And now we have to create our Gmail address. You can type your name and add some letters after it. If this will show you this, that username is already taken, you can simply change the numbers or change any alphabet from the name. So in my case, I will change these numbers and click next. And now after creating your Google password, it will show you this review account info, where it will show your name and your Gmail account. Click next, and from privacy and terms, scroll down and select here I agree, and that's it. So that's the process to create a Gmail account without phone number in just few easy steps.